Kripaluji Maharaj said, this preaching is not an easy job. So if you have only 8 people who are coming to listen to you, just think that they are the Mahasakhis of Radharani. If they're even less, be happy. The first time I started preaching, so 150 leaflets got printed and it was fixed in one temple. And I went and gave the leaflets to the pujari that you distribute them to the darshanarthis. When I came for the lecture, there were 7 people. So I said, nevertheless, I am the 8th person. I closed my eyes and started speaking. When I opened my eyes, there was only one person. And I asked him, where have all the others gone? He said, Swamiji, you were so boring. They had to leave. So I said, why did you not go? He said, that sheet on which you are sitting is my sheet. You get up, then I will go. So the results will be of all kinds in the world. Sometimes a lot of success, sometimes a lot of failure, sometimes nothing. Now, if you can remain normal through all of this, that is the victory.